Hello friends, today I am sharing these easy 5 black and white nail art monochrome designs. These are very easy to do. For the first design, first apply a white base color and then add striping tapes in the form of a net. Then using a sponge, dab black and white polishes and put it on the nails as shown. When you are satisfied with the ombre effect, remove the striping tapes and peel off the barrier. Finally, add a layer of glossy top coat and it's done. The second design is an easy flower design. For this, use a white base color and then using black and white polishes make the flowers as shown. I also added some black dots on the empty spaces. Finally, apply a layer of glossy top coat and it's done. The third design is a simple checkered design on one side of the nail. For this, use a white base color and then using black polish or acrylic color, make the squares as shown and then fill every alternate square with black polish. Finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. The fourth design is a basic striping tape design which is perfect for the little finger. Apply the striping tape and cover it with black polish, then remove it to get the perfect lines. Finish it off with a layer of glossy top coat. And the final and fifth design is a simple polka dot design done on a black base. The polishes used are as follows. I hope you liked these simple monochrome nail art designs and thanks for watching.